Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Cindy. I create amazing recipes, especially Haitian dishes. So I'm gonna show you this amazing spaghetti. You guys know diri Djon Djon, right? But I made spaghetti Djon Djon, okay? It's just the same thing, just a different carb, and it's delicious. So let's go ahead and get to the recipe. So some steps I'm not gonna show you because I had already boiled my Djon Djon. So you're gonna need about a cup and a half to 2 cups of dried mushroom. Make sure you cook it, you boil it for 10 minutes, and after that you drain it, you strain it, and then use that water to cook the spaghetti. So in that Djon Djon water, I added a scallion, 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna let it come to a boil and then bring my pasta to it. So when it's boiled, you go ahead and add your pasta. I'm using this type of spaghetti, and go ahead and cook it. So I don't have a measurement for that water in the pot, so that's probably like, I don't know, 5 cups. Yeah. Anyway, so go ahead and cook your pasta however you like it, or according to the box description. I don't like my pasta overcooked, so I cooked mine for like 7 minutes. So while your pasta is cooking, let's go ahead and get started on the other stuff. So to your pan that you're gonna be making the pasta in, or you can use the same pot if you want after you wait, go ahead and bring some olive oil to that hot pan. And then we're using sausages, so you can use sausage if you want, shrimp if you don't want to use sausage, or you can just make it vegan, don't use any meat at all, or you can substitute it with tofu. It's all up to you. So go ahead and add your sausage or chicken or shrimp, whatever protein that you are using. So go ahead, fry it for a little bit, let it get a little bit of color. You want it to be a little bit of brown and a little bit of crispy around the corners. And after like a minute, flip it to the other side. And after that, now we're gonna add Epis. So we're adding about 2 tablespoons of Epis. And go ahead and fry that, let it get a little bit toasty for about a minute or two. And then we're gonna add our vegetables. So for vegetables, I'm using red bell peppers, green bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, purple onion, white onion. So my cherry tomatoes that I'm using, I already have them at home, and I don't want them to go to waste, so that's why I'm using them. But you can totally skip the cherry tomatoes, and honestly I really like that I used them because it made it look so beautiful. And I'm using the colorful cherry tomatoes, so yes, it looked amazing. And I also added some fresh thyme and fresh parsley, so go ahead and add that to it. Oh, it looks so good, guys. So on my Instagram, everyone is commenting that this is the Haitian style lo mein. Honestly, I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and season. So we're lightly seasoning this, we're not adding too much because we're gonna keep it simple. So I added a tablespoon of all-purpose chicken seasoning and some garlic, some cloves, 4 to 6 cloves, and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. So I will list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, be sure to check it out. So I just added my black pepper, so go ahead and give it a stir. So now, okay, should have said that, but make sure you set aside 2 cups of mushroom water or Djon Djon water, okay? Remember to do that. Please read the description box so you can get that info. So set that aside. This could be just the Djon Djon water that you just boiled, you set it aside, or it could be the pasta water. It's all up to you, it doesn't really matter. So after you added a little bit of that Djon Djon water, go ahead and add your pasta. So I added about a cup of that. Let it simmer a little bit, and then go ahead and add your pasta. So my pasta is not like fully cooked on, so go ahead and give it a stir, mix everything. It looks really good, you guys, and I'm not even kidding, this was amazing. And this is the recipe, this is it, that's all. Like that, it's just so easy, anyone can do this, it's super easy. Just make sure that you set aside 2 cups of water, Djon Djon water, okay? It can be from the pasta water that you cook the Djon Djon water you cook the pasta with, or it could be after you cook the Djon Djon, you save some of the water. So this is it, you guys, and I would like to remind you, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this, because I'm amazing and my channel is just awesome. Look at this recipe. It's so beautiful, and I said it of course with eggs, because what Haitian doesn't eat pasta with eggs? I don't know. I don't care how it's made, but I'm eating it with eggs. Anyways, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know. As always, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon.